Hey there and welcome back to another video. My name is Eric Bennis. I'm one of the financial consultants here on the team at John Graham & Associates, and today we're going to be talking about long-term care insurance. So what is long-term care insurance? Do you have it? Do you need it? Should you get it now? Should you get it later? So a lot of people don't really worry about it if they're not facing health concerns right now, but nearly everybody would benefit from getting long-term care insurance because of the fact that people are living longer and will have future medical needs that it can help out with. So long-term care insurance covers a variety of different needs that Medicare will not cover. This can include skilled nursing facilities, in-home care, things like that as people ultimately decline, or if they're recovering from, let's say they might fall and break a hip and they have to go to a nursing home to recover for a certain period of time, it could even cover that. So the issue is if we don't plan for those things, it can become a financial burden down the road. By being proactive today, we can set a plan in place that will pay for those needs rather than having to scramble and make an emergency plan when they ultimately come up. So a couple things to keep in mind. Number one, buy sooner than you think you should, because actually the sooner you buy, the cheaper your premiums will be for the policy. Number two, work with an expert. So there are many different types of policies. There's different amounts of coverage and time periods and all that type of stuff, and you want to make sure that you're getting something that is going to suit your needs. So work with an expert who can help you navigate those things and get the best policy for you. Lastly, involve a loved one, because the fact is, at the time when you ultimately start using these policies, you might not be in a position either physically or mentally to navigate it by yourself. So you want to have somebody else who's on your team who understands that you have this policy in place and how it works so that they can maximize the benefit they get from the policy. So the fact is that from a recent study in 2020, 70% of Americans are going to need long-term care services. That means that 70% of the population will be paying for this one way or another. The reason long-term care exists is to help you pay for it in a way that's affordable, it doesn't mess up your retirement plan, and importantly, because we've seen this come up before, even if you have the assets to pay for yourself, if you're married and you have a spouse, you might drain all those assets on yourself and not have anything left for them. So this insurance policy allows you to cover your medical expenses without messing up the financial plan for the whole family. Long-term care can be incredibly valuable in preserving wealth, both for your spouse and to make sure that there is an inheritance to pass on to the next generation and that it's not used up on nursing home care or something similar to that. If you have questions about this, or if you simply want to explore what a policy would look like for you or a loved one, reach out to us. Our website is investwithjga.com. From there, we can work with you to find the best policy that's going to fit your needs. If you enjoyed this video and want to check out some other videos that could help you along your financial journey, look us up on YouTube. Our channel is Invest with JGA, and we've got a whole library of awesome videos to help you along. See you in the next video.